fucking way.
Hey, Dominic.
I know another guy.
Wait,
Dominic.
you want me to try to wake him up?
No, shut up.
You want me to just scream really loud into my mic?
Shut up. Dominic. If you're a pirate, continue snoring. Dominic, if you're white, continue snoring.
This lying motherfucker.
Dominic, if you like penises in your mouth while you're sleeping, keep snoring.
I can only assume his mouth is actually open.
Dominic, if you like she-males, keep snoring.
You got anything to add, Blah?
If you want to join the Brazzers video with Kobe and Sonic keep snoring.
Dominic, if you would like to get the monies with Blah, keep snoring.
Better not snore, it's mine.
If you want to grind with Mickey Mouse while gargling Listerine, keep snoring.
What?
Yes, he thought about it.
He thought of it. Dominic, if you're going to give away your Wii U to me, keep snoring. Well, that settles that. I get 2 Wii U's now.
He's actually coming to, like, wait a minute, no. Not the Wii U.
Hey guys.
You were asleep.
Can't tell if faking.
What? Like, the last thing I heard was fucking... Oh shit, what was it? Fucking Wii U, and that was it. Like, I was dreaming about something, and I heard Wii U.
This is going up on YouTube.
And then I heard knocking, and I went to the door, and all of a sudden I was like fucking back in bed.
Dominic, I hope you laugh your ass off at this YouTube
Dominic?
because this is pretty
Dominic?
damn good.
What? I find it funny that you said the last thing you heard was Wii U. That's because we've been telling you something like, Dominic, if you want to be in the Brazzers video with Sonic and Kobe, keep snoring.
Like what Michael
You're
did.
kidding.
To Kobe. No, we just did what Michael did to Kobe to you.
Oh, you're kidding.
And then,
Dude, you're gonna like
the final
mine.
one was, hey Dominic, this is Kobe by the way. He's like, hey Dominic, if you want to give me your Wii U so that I have 2, keep snoring.
You are fucking kidding me.
And he's like, I get 2 Wii U's. What? I'm like, he's coming too. He realizes the error of his Wii.
Like fucking.
I'm gonna keep mine secret until I get.
This was the dream I had. I was in bed, and all of a sudden, like freaking, I heard knocking. I saw the postman. He said Wii U. Looked in the box. There's nothing in it. And then
Because you gave it to Kobe!
bitch, I want to see this fucking video.
I recorded